Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of grade 5. Beta, today we will complete the remaining exercise of unit 1. Let's start. Are you looking in page number 15? Countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns can be countable and uncountable. Countable nouns refers to things that can be counted. These nouns can be observed by our sense. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. बेटा, countable nouns means वो नाउन जिनको हम गिन सकें, जिनकी हम गिनती कर सकें. Like that, money we can count easily. Dress we can count. हम अपने कपड़े भी गिन सकते हैं, हमारे कितने जोड़े हैं. हम पैसे भी गिन सकते हैं इजीली. हम चॉकलेट्स भी गिन सकते हैं. एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स मीन्स वो नाउन्स जिनको हम काउंट ना कर सकें. लाइक दैट, वाटर कैन यू काउंट? ऑयल कैन यू काउंट? नो, वी कांट काउंट द ऑयल, वाटर, rice. We can't count these nouns. There is exercise. I have done this for you. You will also do this in your book. Underline the uncountable nouns and circle the countable nouns. What we will do? We will underline the uncountable nouns. I have done. I am telling to you first of all uncountable nouns: milk, salt, sugar, snow, cream, tea, oil, juice, meat, butter, coffee, cheese, rice. These are uncountable nouns. I have underlined. You also underline in your book. Now I am telling to you about countable nouns. We will circle the countable nouns: sheep, book, tomato, cookie, chip, fish, pear, money, flower, lemon, cup, chocolate, cherry, cake, onion, chair, plum. These are countable nouns. Now beta, I hope that you have to understand the countable and uncountable noun. Now open your page number 16. There is very easy another thing is here: singular and plural nouns. There is a definition. Nouns can be singular or plural. Singular refers to one and plural refers to many. Some general rules to follow are given below. बेटा, डू यू नो वेल अबाउट दैट कि सिंगुलर हम एक नाउन जो होता है उसको हम सिंगुलर कहते हैं. एंड मोर देन वन यानी कि टू और मोर देन टू थिंग्स आर कॉल्ड प्लूरल नाउन्स. देयर आर सम रूल्स ऑफ प्लूरल नाउन्स. Are you looking in your book? Majority nouns need S to be complete plural. बेटा, काफ़ी सारे नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके लास्ट में जब हम एस का इजाफा करते हैं तो दीज नाउन्स विल बी इन प्लूरल फॉर्म. तो वो नाउन जो होते हैं वो सिंगुलर से प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाते हैं. Like that, examples are given here: book, pencil, bag, cat, mat, sock. Are you looking? There is S in front of these all words. S का इजाफा है and these words are called plural nouns. Now nouns ending with S, double S, SH, CH, X or Z need ES। बेटा काफ़ी सारे बच्चों का ये माइंड होता है कि शायद हर किसी नाउन में जब हम एस लगा लेते हैं तो वो नाउन प्लूरल बन जाता है, मगर इस तरह नहीं होता। देयर आर मैनी रूल्स ऑफ द सिंगुलर नाउन्स। आर यू लुकिंग हेयर? बस, मैच, bush, class, fox, buzz. What is add in these words? ES. ES. जब कोई वर्ड जिसमें एस लास्ट में एस हो, डबल एस, SH, CH, X, जिस नाउन के लास्ट में इन ये लेटर आ जाएं तो उनके लास्ट में ES का इजाफा होता है। अगेन आई एम टेलिंग टू यू कि जिस वर्ड के लास्ट में S, डबल एस, SH, CH, X और Z ये वर्ड हों तो उसमें ES जब लगाते हैं तो these nouns will be in plural form. Third rule I am telling to you, noun ending with Y, remove Y and add IES. There are example, baby, baby इसमें Y लगता है, we have removed the Y and put here IES, babies. Lily, we have removed Y and put here IES, lilies. City, families, countries, ladies. We have removed Y from these all words and put here IES, and these nouns are called now plural nouns. I hope that you have understand the rule of plural. We will change some singular sentences in plural form, but first of all, you learn this thing that is used with a singular noun and are is used with a plural noun. इसको हम singular noun में यूज़ करते हैं and are is used with a plural noun. are कहाँ यूज़ होता है? plural noun के साथ. This and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns. A very simple example is here. This is a book. This is singular sentence. These are 3 books. This is plural sentence. Are you looking? In singular sentence there is this and is, and in plural sentence these and are. I have already told you that this and that will be used in singular nouns, and is used with a singular noun and are is used with plural noun. These and those are used with plural noun. I hope that you all have to understand this. Now beta, there are sentences. Rewrite the sentences in plural form. There are sentences, but these sentences are in singular form. What we will do? We will write here these same sentences but in plural form. The first one is, this is a boy in our class. How we have changed this? These boys are in our class. These boys are in our class. Beta, I have already done this for you. You must be do it in your book. Number 2 sentence is, there is one pencil on the desk. There are pencils on the desk. Number 3 sentence, put this book on the table. This is in singular form. How we have changed? Put these books on the table. Number 4, where is the matchbox? In plural form, where are the matchboxes? Number 5, where is my laptop? In plural form, where are my laptops? Number 6 sentence. That is a vase on the corner table. Those are vases on the corner table. Now open your page number 17. Number 7 sentence is a customer bought a beautiful dress. In plural form, how we will change this sentence? A customer bought beautiful dresses. Number 8 sentence. This answer is incorrect. In plural form, these answers are incorrect. Number 9 sentence. The paper is very difficult. In plural form, the papers are very difficult. Number 10 sentence. I like to sing my favorite song. How we will change this sentence in plural form? I like to sing my favorite songs. Yes. You must do this exercise also in your book. Now it's time to homework. Look at page number 18. There are very nice pictures. Are you looking, beta? Are you looking that what is happening in each picture? You must see carefully in these pictures and create a story. Beta, do you know that in school you discuss and deliver these type of stories in group? But nowadays you are in home, so you must discuss this story with your siblings. This is very interesting work. I hope that you will enjoy. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.